Hey you guys, it's me, it's your preservation imp, and I'm here on the roof of the Olympic Hotel where there's this beautiful old neon sign. And here's the thing, time has done a number on this beautiful old neon sign and it no longer lights up, but maybe it could light up again. So I'm up here checking it out and seeing how much neon is left and seeing that the cans are actually in pretty good shape. That's the kind of thing that preservation imps are good for. Check this out though. Okay, so we're up here on the roof of the Olympic Hotel and signs are on my mind, me, the preservation imp, because if you look across, you can actually see over there. Do you see it? Oh, I want you to focus, focus, focus. That's the Hollywood sign. Focus. That's the Hollywood sign out on Mount Lee. And there you can see the Ansonia sign. That's one of those great rooftop signs, and there's a lot of them out there, but I don't think there's anyone as great as the Olympic. So I'm here checking it out, and here's what I see. The O, no letters left. The L, half a letter. The Y, half a letter. The M's intact. The P's got no neon. The I's intact, and the C's half intact. So what happened to the Olympic? Well, time and weather and I think bird strikes. Check it out. That's right, you guys. It's a stack of old neon tubes from the Olympic. So we can't put these ones back. They're broken. But we can make new ones. We have the technology. That's all I gotta say. Except, wouldn't it be great if you could be out there at MacArthur Park? Look how beautiful it is. And turn, and there's the Westlake Theater sign, and turn, and there's the, there's Wilkes-Wilshire, and turn, and up there, that's the Olympic. That's my dream. So if you dream like I dream, let's hope that the Olympic gets re-illuminated. That's over and out from up on top of the Olympic Hotel. Woo, don't fall off. From your friend, the Preservation Imp.